is started. All right, let's go over our stuff here. Notes. Start at the bottom. Amazon. Amazon, once in a while, I will pick a large stock on a platform that I like on a call. Amazon had a really nice call from a buy at Citigroup. Citigroup is a big stock mover. They are a tier one traders, a tier one. Write that down. I'm a big avid Citigroup person. So with that being said, they're upgraded to a buy from neutral. Stock sat last night at 291, gapped up to 294. Now on Amazon and trades like that, I do not try to teach you how to trade that stock. I will trade that personally because Amazon is a 3-4 point range, and if you don't know what you're doing, you hit the wrong button, you could be down $800, $900, $1,200 in a matter of a second. So it's very important that you learn how to trade this one. Um, so with that being said, basically the call was simply, I'd like to see a pullback. If it pulls back to 293, 294, I'd grab a few long and I would ride it up. And that's pretty much the call and let it ride up. But I really wanted to see a pullback to around the 293, 294 area. So Amazon was an idea that I had. It's a perfect example of traders trying to chase. They get in there. This was what happens. Then they take their first loss and they're frustrated. So this is why I tell you, be careful, move your stops. Don't try to trade it now. So hopefully I saved you some money there. Let's go to Amazon. Basically pre-market, it had gapped up to 294. It was actually up to 298 in the morning, pulled all the way down. This is why I wanted a 294 at opening. Market opened and didn't even come close to 294. See at 296 with light volume. It's a thin stock, guys. And from there, it just took off. So 100 shares would have got you about $300-400. Nice trade. Came down now. Probably come down around here. Reboot. Come back up. That's how Amazon trades. I used to be really scared of Amazon, and now I don't get scared of Amazon. I mean, it's a stock just like any other stock, you know. So next call I had was Apple. I liked Apple a lot. Apple had a right here. I'll put it up. Apple upgrade to outperform from neutral. Credit Suisse. They are a tier one, tier two traders. They're not. They're not. I don't know. They're kind of tier two to me. So they're not like the baddest guys on the block, like a B of A, Goldman. But when they talk, I listen. So with Apple, it was gapping up a point and a half. They had a price target of 130. So I think it pops to 111, 112. And then when it gets up there, look for a pullback. I'm looking for a 110 entry on the pull, and then take a few long, move back to 115. So basically, here's the trade. Apple. Apple, what do I want? I just want Apple to hit 112. When it hits the 112 area, start scaling in and short it. Bring it back down, fill the gap, hit 110 if you can, and then go long. So let's take a look at the trade. Are you ready? Boom, boom, boom. Market opens. Now this one obviously is a long, it's a patient one. And that's why I have the chart up and I'm telling you, 111 in it traders, 112 traders, all right? I'm letting you know it's moving up, which is what I wanted. But once it hit that 112 area, you could scale in, take a few, get a nice average, and now where's it going? See that? I know BS is trading this stock right now. On Selvin made money on this as well. He did some calls, and so basically the call was strong. Got you to the 112 area I was looking for, area of interest, and now it's just pulling back for 1 to 2 points. That's the call. If you've never traded Apple before, you kind of get a sense how Apple trades now. and you kind of get a call like this again, this is you have to let it write itself out. You can ride it to 112. There's no reason why you can't take it long to 112, but that was the area of interest. I said it would go to 112 from the opening. Ding, 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 ding. Took about, what, an hour and a half? 112. Now coming back down. Simple stock to read, guys. Move slow like a snail. Um, nice BS. Okay, now, Juno. Juno was gapping initially with a neutral. That's not good. And there were other, I want you to take a look on Juno, guys. Why this had me been trading Juno quite a bit. I want you to see why it was on my interest. I saw this right here. I saw a 66. Now, let me show you guys. Juno started with a neutral at Goldman. And Goldman's a big house. All right, they don't play games at Goldman. All right, but then JP comes out and basically counteracts what Goldman says and gives it a 66 target. And then Lyric comes out and goes, well, screw that. I'll give it 74. So clearly everybody's not on the same page. All right, you got to initiate with a neutral, then you get hit with an overweight, and then you get hit with an outperform. So who knows? I mean, everybody's got their own idea. So my job is to figure out what is the best for us. All right. So Juno, the way I saw it was Juno capping down $3. Two ways. If it pulls to 55 level, play the bounce. If it starts to pop and goes towards 60, I would look to fade the stock and short it for 3 to 4 points on a pullback. All right, so let's see if I was correct or even remotely close. It's hard, guys. I'm fighting a bunch of houses to try to figure out which is best for us to play this stock. But I like the play, so I wanted to show it to you. All right, so here we go. Juno. So market opens and it's swinging, guys. It's coming out swinging. But by the time it settles, it hit that 60 mark right there. You see that? At 60.50, give or take, and then it pulled. And that's what I was looking for. Just to pop towards 60, yank the chain, pull it down a buck or two, get out of it, and be done with it. And if it hits lower, I wanted you to play the bounce. But because, and the reason why I put 55, because I was prepared to see if it was to pull. And if you really look in hindsight, see the opening, ding, 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 look at the bell. 60-20, pop, look at the pull. And that's really what I wanted. Pop at the opening, pull the sucker down, play the bounce, pull it again. This trade lasted 4 minutes from the moment the bell. You could have took short right there, pre-market, got a fill to here, here, or here, and short it for 1.5 to 2 points. Once it started to click on you, you had to get out, obviously, and cover. Fast swings on a stock like that. Now it hit 61, and now it's fading. But I can't call that. I'm mostly trying to focus on this. Here and here. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Ecom. Ecom was just getting wrecked. Man, it was, ugh. But it had defended some defenses. Robert Bird was putting $18 on the target. Stock was sitting at 21 bucks. It was already down to 11. It's actually down to 12. So I said, hey guys, it's gapping down $9. Play two ways. If it pulls to 9.50 to 10, consider taking a few long and play a bounce. Watch for a pop at the open in case it does to squeeze it and before, because usually what happens when a stock gets wrecked like that, all right, it usually squeezes depending on how far it's gone down, and it's basically shorts trying to cover their positions. So right here in the middle of the morning when the market opened, think it was right here. I was looking for a squeeze. See that? So from here, it squeezed all the way up to here. That's what I was playing, guys. That was the initial play. I played it myself. You know, I took a few real quick. This is something I cannot type that fast. All I can tell you is grab some, play it, get out. And you guys made money. I wish I could have got a little bit more on the pop, but it's okay. I got 30, 40 cents on that. But once it started to wreck again, I was telling you guys were asking, where do I go, AJ? I was telling, look at the nines. Nines should get it. If you get it into 950, I think you'll be okay. And now it made it move all the way as high as 1035. So even if you would have got it at 950 or $9 or $10, you would have been up. Where's it going now? I do think it heads higher to 1050 plus. Maybe not today, but I definitely in a day or two. I think a couple more defends, and I think this will be back to 11 a share. But I think that's where it settles. So we might have one more day play on this one. Okay, traders? All right, let's go to the next one. CTIC. We're going to play both of these. NLST and CTIC. It's gapping up 20 cents. Guys, this was all over Twitter this morning. Most of the chat rooms that could only trade 20, 30-cent stocks. This was all up and down. This is what they live and breathe for. So I went ahead and put you on there because I didn't want you guys to get all excited. Just want you guys, hey, if it pops, it's going to fade. Just pull it. It's no biggie. And it's just basically trash. That's all it is. And we see this crap all the time. But in this room, we're the big boys, so we know how to play this crap, and we play it for what it is, crap. So it closed at 230, gapping up 20 cents. I think it pops to 275, you know, somewhere around there, 265, 270, before giving it all back. If it pulls down to 230, 235, 240, maybe grab a few, but I wouldn't get too excited. But probably an all-day fade on it. NLST, gapping up 60 cents. Two ways to play it. Pops at the open towards 2. Just grab it short, guys. Don't even breathe. And it gives it all back. If it pulls to 125, maybe grab some long for a move to the upside. Basically, guys, I'm laughing at these stocks. It's a joke, but because they're gapping up, when I watched in the rooms, I think 3 of you were telling me, NLST, all over Twitter. It's like, okay, I don't like wasting time on these, but you know what? If I can teach you how to trade them, we're the big boys in here. We don't, we sense this stuff. If you want a short size on it, enjoy those because you'll make a lot of money. Imagine catching 5,000 shares on these two. You probably made $10,000, $12,000 today. So let me show you. You ready? Let me show you how to trade this garbage. Ready for the other one? This is just garbage. We see this shit all day long. But in here, we don't screw around. We just trade it. Ding, 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 ding. What was the trade? Pop towards 2. What did I say? Let me see. CTC 275 area. Ding, 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 ding. Pop, 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 pop. Ah, hit 255. So about 20 cents off. Start to pull. Grab a few. Grab a few. And where are you going? You're going to 220. Maybe 225. You see the garbage? If you do size, you're getting paid. Trading 101 in this room, guys. Trading 101, AJ Trader. Alright? So don't get excited next time you start seeing that stuff. I'll let you know when I think something's going to move. Alright? Here's another one. Ding, 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 ding. What did I say? If it hits 2, hit $1.90. That's what, 9 cents, 10 cents off? Where is it now? Ding, 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 ding. 140. Where's it going? 125, 130. So again, traders, don't get excited. You can mention it to me, but after a while, I just get tired of stuff. If you really just want me to put it up here for you just a short with size, These are perfect for traders that don't have a lot of money. Let's just say you had $5,000 in your account, you have $50,000 buying power, and you had shares to trade. All right, you could have got 10,000 shares, 5,000 shares, caught what, 40 cents, made 2,000 bucks on this play. You're in a room that knows how to trade this shit. So you're not in a room that plays games. Did I tell you, oh yeah, this is going to go to $3 today. Go long. Half the rooms out there like to do that crap. We don't do that in here. We're the big boys. We know what we're doing. So now you know what crap looks like. All right, let's go to another one. SHPG. This was not the greatest call. Didn't see this one coming. Had that upgrade yesterday. However, yesterday we did talk about that 257 upgrade from it was sitting at 208 yesterday. Some of you did execute and took some long overnight, gapped up. You got your 3 or 4 points, so congratulations. But this wrecking ball here, just really didn't see it coming. So we'll see if it settles down somewhere in the 200 range. If it does come, maybe we can pick up a few, gap it up for 3 or 4 points tomorrow. And I wouldn't mind overnighting if this hits 200. Market's rolling over right now, guys, so everything is falling. Just want to make a note of that. All right, everything. All right, so let's go to another one. Apple, we already did. BLCM. BLCM. We played this yesterday. Traders kind of got wrecked on this one, so this was, I wanted to be very careful. But the reason why I put it on is because I was kind of laughing at it. Because I saw it gapping up to $32, and I knew it was going to go to 33, 33.50. But I knew if it went there, oh my gosh, traders, just short the shit out of the stock. Because that's really what I want. And look at my call. See my call? Look at the call. This is a beautiful call. If it pops to 33, 33.50 area, short the shit out of it. And you get a 1-2 points. It's a beautiful call. It really was. You want to see it? You want to see what reality looks like? This is because we traded it yesterday. Look at that. What do you see? What is that? Hey, Jay. What? You missed it by 12 cents. Are you serious? Yeah, so I didn't take the trade because it didn't hit 33.50. That's what I was waiting for, so I missed it. Okay. All right. Well, I'm sorry, but if you would have took it here, 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 or here, you would have banked 1.5. And what was I trying to get you? 1 to 2. If you took it here at 33 plus, you would have nailed 2, 3 points. See that? Almost 3 points. And that's all I cared about. Pull it. Pop, pull. The next time you see me, have something like that. And guess what else? How many times do you ask me? Can you tell me what stock you like the most? What did I write? What is that? It means I love the stock, right? So why didn't you take the trade? Too fast for me. All right, whatever. It is what it is. Anyway, solid call, solid play. All you had to do was execute. You would have made 2,000, 3,000 bucks this morning. And I don't want to hear traders. You just make it sound so simple. Really, guys? If I didn't have this room and I was trading on my own, this would be one of my primary ones I would focus. But I'm trying to get in here. I get in here. All I do is spend minutes, hours trying to get you into stock. Trade it. Trade it. There it is. There's a 33. Short it. Short it. Short it. Instead of me executing the trade, I'm helping you. I'm walking you through. I'm begging you. And still, none of you take the trade. And then when it drops, you go, should I get in now? Unbelievable. execute the trade, get paid, and go back to bed. This one you could have made 2,000 bucks in your sleep and went back to bed. It would have been finished in 9 minutes. PCYC. Oh wow. Story stock, story stock, story stock means that stock is really up a lot. Yesterday was FMI. That was a story stock. Today it's at PCYC. PCYC is gapping up $125 a share. It's 148 bucks. Anything in that 148, I would seriously consider if it pops to 150 to short the crap out of it, and you should nail it for about 6 points. So let's see if I was right. That's all I was looking for. Hey, anything in the 150s, pull it back. Let's see if I was correct. What is it? Forgot the stock. PCYC. Ding, 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 ding. Look at the where it went. What is that? What is that? 150.99. All right, did you take the stock? And what did I say, traders? Everybody in here in the room, what did I say? It'll fade about 6 points or more. You see that? If you can get that 150, you're going to get 6 points on the fade. So if you would have grabbed 150, which is where I told you, which is right here, forget this 99 cents. You knew you had to have white stops anyway, so don't use that as an excuse. By the time you got filled, you would have got 150.55. All right, where did it go? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 6.5 points. So again, I want you to look at this trade. And tonight, when the market is closed, I want you to pull this on the screen. I want you to stare at it. Moderator, on the charts tonight, this is the one I want. We do 2 charts that we show. This is the one I want. Okay? 6-point fade. 150 short. And the other one, which was that good one we did that we just talked about? What was that other one? Shoot, there was another good one. Oh, BLCM. Yeah, this one right here. These 2 I want tonight. Cool? Thank you, boss. Yeah, because this one's even better. This was a killer trade for 3 points, moderator. And this one's for 6 points. So that shows traders that aren't in the room that could have made 9 points on 2 trades. So if you did only 500 shares on this one, and 500 shares on this one, on 8 points you would have made $4,000 today. 2 trades. Enter, exit, enter, exit. And you knew this was coming because we had played this yesterday. So this one sets you up from yesterday when it did the same thing. So all I did was read it better. What did I tell you? Sometimes when we make a mistake, we come better. We come in this morning, pop that son of a bitch to 33. I don't give a shit. And pull that thing $3. Because it's exactly what it did yesterday to us, remember? Before it bounced up. $1.50. Look at this one. If you executed this trade, guys, even 100 shares, you would have made 600 bucks in the morning. This is what we do every day in here, guys. This is no different. Last 2. SPWR. SPWR and TKMR. SPWR is gapping up $1. 2 ways to play it. If it pops that open through 27, scale in short for a nice pullback before heading back up. But if it pulls to 25.60 to 2027, 25.70, go long for an all-day move to the upside. All right, so I was really hoping it would pull back because we haven't done solar stock in a while other than soon. So I was really hoping for a decent pullback at the open. I wanted 25 area, but we saw a double bottom forming right here and here. So that's why it went on the charts and we executed it. So any pop through 27 would have been a good short idea. And here's the idea. 27, even right here is 27. Still would, even if you scaled it at 27, gave it some room, you would have plenty of opportunity to get a nice fill and you would have pulled it. And that's all I was looking for. I figured 27 would be the peak. I didn't call 29. I didn't call 30. I just said, look, guys, if this kind of starts rolling to 27 area, short it. It'll give back. And when it does, it'll come back hard. At least a buck. And there it is. 27 down. And last one, TKMR. Let's take a look at TKMR. Now this one, interesting. A lot of upgrades. This one had RBC Capital raised it to 35 shares. Even Scalp had this on his idea. Scalping up 50 cents though. I think one more day plays. Pulls at the open at 24.25. Grab a few, long it, and but if it opens at 26 plus, try to get some short. It could end up staying up there depending on the action of the market. So we nailed this one in the room. As soon as the market opened, ding, 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 it started to pull actually below the market closing yesterday. So what we did when that happens, we put the chart up. We try to educate when to get in and scale in, take a few. If it pulls again, add a few more. Have a wide stop, 50 to 80 cents, and then make your move. And that's where every traders started to make their money. Some got in too soon. It pulled on them by the time, and they didn't average, so they had to wait for this move up here. And a lot of them just didn't wait for that. Otherwise, they would have broke even, if not been green, once this line was passed. So stocks like that are pulling hard, it's all about trying to scale in, get the right opportunity, and then play the move. Now, obviously, it's faded. Somehow, either profit taking or something going on. Still should be about a $28 stock. But for some reason, it's just been pulling all day, either market conditions or something. And that's it, traders. That's it. We had a nice 15-minute session. We went through all the stocks up and down the list. I'm just really impressed with you guys. Some of you guys got a little frustrated today. Most of you did make money in here, but some of you are still like, man, I missed that, or I missed that opportunity. It's okay. Now what I do, guys, I take it. I'll be back around 11:30, 11:35. I take a little about 35, 40-minute break. I sit downstairs in the beautiful sunny weather here in Beverly Hills. I take a relax, drink my coffee, and just chill a little bit. Gather my thoughts, read your tweets, and then from there, we come back. We finish the afternoon. We do with a kick-ass trade or two. Our CNBC stocks. This was Josh Brown. He talked about it. This is one of his favorites. El Pollo Loco was also trade done live. Popped right through. We were trying to get to 25. We missed it by 10 cents. After that, just came right back down. Nice move. Guys, we play everything in here. We enjoy making money. If it's got news, we're all over it. And I hope to come back in about 35, 40 minutes. Do not overtrade while I'm gone. And hopefully we can nail a big, solid winner before the market closes. Okay? Keep an eye on MBNX. I'm watching MBIX. It's pulling pretty hard. I want you to keep an eye on that one. Peaked at 30.80. Pulling hard now. Quite a bit. All right, and I'll be back in about 11:30, 11:40. Barry, hold the fort if you're going to be in here. And last time I left for a few minutes, you guys did BLM. Was it BLMN and ILMN? And you guys made like, what, 10 points while I was downstairs. So anyway, guys, enjoy. And thank you for a wonderful morning. Look forward to seeing some of your tweets. Appreciate all of you. I will be back at 11:30, 11:35. Take care. I will leave scan on for you full time while I'm gone, so you can make your trades and see what. Uh-oh, what's this? Uh-oh. We will hold a conference call on Friday, January 16th at 11 a.m. Well, that doesn't help the stock right now, but here you go, guys. Make a mental note. And maybe that's why the stock is getting wrecked, because they're delaying 3 days from now to make their conference, which is crap. And isn't January 16th on a Friday? Yeah, it is on a Friday. So that's why it's pissed off investors and they're dumping the stock now. Plus the market is rolling a little bit. All right, guys? All right, see you in a little bit.